want a card that looks like a trophy. Happy Father's Day! Idea for a Father's Day craft. Have you ever heard of a mini zine? It's the easiest way to make a booklet out of one single sheet of paper. We can make an 8-page booklet. I made a printout using 6 images, a front cover and a back cover. On one side, my images are all facing this way. When I flip it over, these images all face this way. First of all, we fold the paper hamburger way in half, and then we flip it around and fold it hot dog way. We'll fold it again so it's in 8. Now that it's in 8 pieces, we fold it in half, hamburger way, and cut from this center, this is our fold line, from the center to the fold line. And that's it. Now we open it up, and here's the magic part. We push the centers together. And that makes our pages. Find your cover page. Ta-da! So my Father's Day card says, my dad is a rock star. He is also brave, smart, creative, funny, handy, and strong. Just make sure you tell AI that you want 6 consistent images of the same person. You can reformat them in a different program to have them facing the right way. So all you have to do is cut and fold. Super easy, super special, customizable Father's Day card. Done. Happy crafting!